So continue. He should not eat together with unlearned. Whoa. So that's a bomb, no? So it says on Hedrin 52b states that at outset common person will consider Torah sage to be like a vessel of gold. Okay. However, if sage derives benefit from the common person, he will not come to regard the sage like a earthen share. He will come to regard. So okay. So one more time, and we're going to explain. So Hedrin 52b states that the outset a common person will consider Torah sage like a vessel of gold. So especially in olden days, so now that's a proper attitude. How we should respect our rabbis, right? However, the sage derives benefit from common person. He tells him, I don't know, to buy things from him, right, for his shul and stuff like that. He will come to regard the sage like a earthen vessel, so shard, right? So it's like it's not the gold. So I mean, he knows that I cannot say no, right? And he's taking advantage. Not Hilchos Yesodei Torah. So it's it's a first book in this book. It's what is it? The foundation of the Torah. Very interesting topics. Where Rambam quotes, he equates the dining of the learned and pious men together with unlearned with the desecration of names of God. So no more, no less. So when this learned person is dining with Amorates, it's Hil Hashem. So also Hilchot Sanhedrin 25:4. We're going to explain now why. Where he rules that the communal leader and judges should not eat and drink with the common people. So this is actually meat. So what is the problem here? The problem here then when we were talking about these few crumbs in his beard. So now he was this big judge was revered by all of the community, and now he sees that he's actually grabbing pieces of meat and chicken, and he pulled the plate with all of the delicacies then next to himself. So I mean, so your respect to that judge or that community leader is going to diminish. You understand? So next time he's going to say something, he's. Even I know not to grab the meat, right? But that's not how he behaved. You understand? So it's for these people, and it's not like they're going to do it, but it might seem to other people, like bystanders. That's why what he did. So basically, don't eat with common people, not learn. And plus, I mean, unless you're going to speak words of the Torah, right? So what and you got stuck for a few hours to listen to this clown. You understand? So he's going to tell you whatever he knows, and that's it. 26. Okay, so let's do this sentence from the beginning. He should not eat together with unlearned, so we just commented, nor at those tables that are filled with vomit and excrement. So let's see what it all means. I mean, it's from Shiur, I think. No, it's not from Avos. Okay. The expression is obviously reference to Avos 3:3. When three eat at one table and do not speak the words of Torah, then it is as if they eat from the sacrifices of the dead. There is idols. Yes, it's from Yeshayahu 28:8. Okay. States, for the old tables are full of vomit and excrement, there is no room. So what does it mean? So when three people sit together and they do not speak the words of Torah, it's like they eat from this table full of idol worship. So Rabbi Reuben, I think, like some time ago, maybe in Pirkei Avos here, so he said, buy yourself a small book. There is the Hidushim, when you can half a page. Whatever. So every time you eat, you can read the half a page or even one paragraph, whatever you read. So it would be considered as you learn in Torah every time you eat. So I mean, me personally, I try to listen to short lectures, like short clips, like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. That's what I do. Okay. Okay, continue. In his commentary to the Mishnah, Rambam writes, previously the verse dealt with eating and drinking while forsaking the Torah and those who study it. Therefore, all of these tables are considered as if the excrement and filth, there is the foods of idols, were eaten upon them. Let me read one more time and we try to explain. Previously, the verse dealt with eating and drinking while forsaking the Torah and those who study it. Okay. Therefore, all of these tables are considered as if excrement and filth. There is a foods of idol are eaten upon them. Okay, so I mean they draw the parallel. That's how discussed in the eyes of Hashem when people do that. So there is a lenient opinion, just so we know. There is some minority of Paskim say when you say Birchas Hamazon, so since the reverse is from the Torah in there, so you can it's considered like you're learning. So don't rely on this opinion too much. But in the case of the pressing need, when you need to rush and stuff like that, so you can rely on that opinion. Okay. Or you going to learn. For example, you eat a quick meal before you go learn. So this is also. I mean, it does not have to be like precisely in at the table. If you learn just before and you took a break, and or you learn and like you planning to learn after you finish it. So that's the thing.